Only about 5 blocks from the Malecon. We're here on Calle Emilio Carranzo. Walking through it feels like a much more lived-in part of PV, not the tourist part. We're still finding our way to the cultural center at the island in the middle of the river that bisects Puerto Vallarta. Then we come across this beautiful view of the thinnest street in the world, maybe, but also the beautiful terraced mega mansions and condos and whatnot on the hills. Well, we're getting there, but we keep seeing cool parts of Puerto Vallarta. And at least Sophie and I found ourselves at the Punto de Reunion right here. Right. And the bridge down to the central tourist area where the cultural center begins. What a beautiful place this city is. Hey, so remember our 4-star hotel? We like it, right? Yeah. This is the 2-star I was checking out earlier. It comes complete with a Monsters Inc. themed room, as you can see, and babutos. And look, all the basura you could ever need. And it smells like tinkle. Well, Sophie and I have made it back to Los Muerto Brewing, probably our favorite spot, it turns out, in the romantic zone of Puerto Vallarta. We're not here for the beer, we are here for the shop, which, while decent if you want shirts and hats, it doesn't have much else. That's okay. But I do like this beer, because they have beer as cold as your ex's heart in there, and it's pretty good. What do you think, Soph? You had fun the other night, right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. And then we got... Good job, Soph. Did he touch it? Could have been just a wind. A wind. Okay. Want to go back to the Isla Bonita in the river? Okay. Back to the bridge. But first, ice cream. Now the bridge back to the Island of Wonders, aka Markets. Yeah, watch out, kid. We're gonna come trampling. Look how jungly that is. Hey, Soph. Okay. So, I looked like a tourist. May as well keep doing touristy things. Which way do you want to go? Across the bridge or continue through here? You just trying to get back?
Sure.
Which way? Trying to get back? Okay. I crossed this bridge 20 years ago at some point. And it's still standing. Watch out for the hole. Hole. Okay, we're at the Central Church here in Puerto Vallarta. The main cathedral downtown. Señorita de Guadalupe. Oh, that took more than that. That took like 3. Welcome to the Arcos. The Arches of Lovers, Arches de Amo, Arches de Quachi. Right, Quachi? What do you think, buddy? What?
This is fun.
You sound sleepy. Are you siesta-ing or fiesta-ing?
Oh, fiesta no siesta.
That's right. You go get your tequila midday, and then we're gonna go have a good time over there.